Celery juice has become more and more popular as a health trend over the past few years. But is it just a fad, or does celery juice actually live up to the hype? In this video, we're going to explore the 7 health benefits of celery juice on the human body. Celery juice has been a wellness sensation for quite some time now. Everyone is talking about it. Over the years, celery has earned the nickname superfood, and for good reason. It's one of the healthiest vegetables out there and can have some serious health benefits. And today, we're going to be diving in deep to talk about 7 specific benefits of celery juice that you need to know. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Celery juice reduces inflammation. Inflammation in the body is natural, but too much of it can cause serious problems, such as chronic pain, fatigue, allergies, and even cancer. Celery juice can help reduce inflammation naturally. It contains luteolin, a compound that can help regulate inflammation in the body. Drinking celery juice regularly can help keep inflammation at bay and promote overall health. Number 2. Improved digestion. Celery is high in fiber and water content, making it a great food for digestion. The fiber helps keep the digestive system healthy, while the water content helps keep things moving. Celery juice acts as a natural laxative and can help relieve constipation. It can also help regulate bowel movements and prevent digestive issues. Number 3. Boosts immunity. We all know that vitamin C is important for keeping our immune system healthy. But did you know that celery juice is also packed with vitamin C? Celery juice contains a variety of antioxidants and nutrients that can help boost the immune system. Drinking celery juice regularly can help protect your body from infections and diseases. Number 4. Lowers blood pressure. Celery contains a compound called phthalate, which can help relax the muscles in the arteries. When the arteries are relaxed, blood can flow more freely, which can help lower blood pressure. Drinking celery juice regularly can help regulate blood pressure levels and promote overall cardiovascular health. Number 5. Anti-cancer properties. Celery juice contains compounds like apigenin and luteolin that have been found to help prevent cancer cell growth. These compounds can help target cancer cells and prevent them from developing and spreading. Drinking celery juice can help protect the body from cancer. Number 6. Promotes hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for keeping the body healthy. Celery juice is mostly water and can help keep you hydrated throughout the day. Staying hydrated can help with overall health and well-being, such as preventing headaches, improving skin health, and aiding in weight loss. Number 7. Anti-infection properties. Celery juice has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help prevent infections from developing in the body. Drinking celery juice regularly can help boost your body's natural defense mechanism and fight off infections naturally. So, there you have it. 7 incredible health benefits of celery juice. Remember, while celery juice can contribute to good health, it's not a cure-all. Incorporating it into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is the best way to reap its benefits. So why not give it a try? Your body might just thank you.